Hi, this is Don, Cowboy Biker Adventures. For you today, I have drone footage of Mission RV Park right off of I-10. So if you're heading east or west, this is a great place to stop for the overnight stay. It has a total of 188 RV sites. All have full hookups and some are pull-throughs. You have 30-50 amps of power and can accommodate up to 70-foot long RVs. Never seen a 70-foot long RV though. It has indoor heated pool, a jacuzzi or hot tub, recreation room, playground, basketball court, laundry room, convenience store, RV storage, and a night guard. It is a Passport America park, but there are some restrictions. To get the 50% off discount, that discount is only available April 1st through September 30th. It's also only good for 3 days max, and you do have to pay cash. No tents are allowed, but pets are welcome, and there is a pet area. The total charge for me was $24 a day, and I stayed here for 3 nights, so a total of $72. And if there was tax, it was all included. And yes, I had a 50 amp site. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. You set the fire and tone to your promised land. You've got a whole religion in the palm of your hand. It's like the whole world turned its back on us, and now you can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. I got you buried deep in the back of my head, 'cause you got all the answers on the tip of my tongue. You got a whole religion in the palm of my hand. If you want it bad, better listen now. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. All the lovers, we were diving far too deep. Different colors that we had to pull to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. So again, if you're passing through El Paso, Texas, it's a great overnight stop. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see adventure videos at least once a week and shorts on weekends, be sure to subscribe. So until next time, have a good one.